right, afternoon. My name is Bei from Tanka and Evermind. I'd like to thank you, Weisheng, for the opportunity, and I'd like to share some of the research we've been doing recently, and I would like to pick your interest, right? Whether this is something you will find relevant to your study, and this could be helpful for the product you build. We are a company building the AI infrastructure and the long-term AI infrastructure and application with long-term memories, and I will explain what that means. We are working on the POC with a company called AutoArc. This interesting company is making a very fun AI hardware. So their product has a multimodal inputs. They're making robots that can interact with the kid, with the family member, and with the seniors that can interact in multiple ways. So beyond just the conversation, their product can take pictures, can record, they can detect items around you. So with the combination of the voice, the audio, and the picture, right, there is a more meaningful conversation and interaction between the robot and the human. But the product comes with a fatal challenge. Because the data injection has a multimodal inputs, right? Every day, the robot will take in massive amount of data. So when you work with the robot in day one, and you put it aside, come back in the second day, the language model is not equipped to properly remember everything that's happening in the prior days. So as a default, right? Even you have the best multimodal infra or the model equipped in the robot, every day it will behave like a factory reset, right? Robot. So in that case, it doesn't go beyond a simple toy. What we are trying to do with them is we're trying to inject the long-term memory into the robot. Because in this case, we're thinking what we can do to let the robot remember all the conversation, all the information with less than 1% of the capacity, and also can pull in all the memory from prior days with very low latency, right? So in that case, the second day's conversation, you will feel like you're talking to people who already know you, right? All the memory will carry over, and what the model is capable of doing is based on the understanding between all the interactions, all the object understanding, all the people relationships. So all the experience will be more like a companion rather than a simple toy. So that's what we're doing. Evermind is a AI infra where you can plug into your AI agent to making sure the agent you're building is not just fresh in and out every day and repeating the same logic you have in a day. By putting into the AI infra on top of your agent framework, all the functions would be based on not only the automation you put in, but also based on all the memories the product has been digesting. So in that case, assume you're raising a kid, right? Basically, you're raising a kid. The kid grows with you, and at some point, all the memory making the solution as a unique as you. That's only everyone has their own unique solutions. So for today, Tanka is the only application that has a permanent memory. If you want to try what the agent with the memory versus without a memory, what the difference it can take, give a try on Tanka. So Weisheng is actually on Tanka. All the conversation and all the information are stored in there. If you are an agent builder yourself, follow this one. Website is evermind.ai. It's open source for now. Give a follow, put a star on the GitHub, and try how it works with your product and see what difference it can make. All right. Well, thank you so much. We have our stand in there. Come talk to us. We're happy to share all the deployment details. Thank you.